Good afternoon, and thank you for logging on to your Northwest Florida QuickCast for August 7th, 2017. I'm meteorologist Cameron Young. We're back to that typical summertime pattern. Last week we dealt with lots of showers and thunderstorms. This week will be more scattered, and even mid to late this week, we're not expecting many changes. It's going to be more of the same, but we are watching the tropics, especially Tropical Storm Franklin. Right now, we are starting to approach that peak of hurricane season. We're on that upslope towards the peak. So that means it's going to start getting more active on average in the Atlantic. And right now we do have Tropical Storm Franklin near the Yucatan Peninsula. It looks like it's starting to strengthen, maybe starting to develop an eye, so it could be getting close to hurricane strength. The latest from the National Hurricane Center at 1 p.m. has winds of 60 miles per hour. It's 195 miles east of Chetumal, Mexico. And it's going to continue moving off to the west-northwest towards the Yucatan Peninsula, where there is a hurricane watch in effect and a tropical storm warning. Then it will move across the Yucatan into the Bay of Campeche, and it could re-strengthen and could approach hurricane status before it makes landfall on the west or on the east coast of Mexico. It's not going to be a concern for us here in Northwest Florida, but it is a sign that things are going to start becoming more active. Further out into the Atlantic, there's Invest 99L. You'll remember this had a good chance of developing just a few days ago, but now it's more disorganized. Conditions aren't quite as favorable for development, and that's why the National Hurricane Center has really lowered development chances all the way down to 20% over the next 5 days. Still not a concern for us. Really not much concern for us in our forecast other than afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Most of the rain is actually going to stay to our north where there's a stalled out frontal boundary. That's going to serve as the focus for showers and thunderstorms across the southeast. For us, it's mainly going to be daytime heating. So tonight, partly to mostly cloudy, maybe a thunderstorm late tonight with a 20% chance of rain. Lows will be very warm, very muggy, up into the mid-70s inland, upper 70s to near 80 along the coast. And tomorrow, we're going to see scattered thunderstorms on and off clouds for most of the area. 40% chance of rain tomorrow, highs in the upper 80s to near 90 across all of Northwest Florida. So if you have those outdoor plans, just make sure you listen for that thunder, because as soon as you hear it, you're close enough to be struck by lightning. Over the next several days, really not much of a change in our forecast. 30 to 40% chance of rain every day, highs right around 90 degrees, and lows generally in the mid to upper 70s. I'm meteorologist Cameron Young. Thank you for logging on to your Northwest Florida QuickCast, and I hope you have a fantastic day.